Missing calls because your iPhone is on silent mode? Let me show you how to make your iPhone vibrate every time, even in silent mode. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap Sounds and Haptics. Now tap on Haptics. Here, make sure Always Play or Play in Silent Mode is selected. This ensures vibration works even when silent mode is on. Go back to Settings. Tap Notifications. Scroll down and select Phone. Now tap Sounds. At the top, tap Haptics. Choose the vibration style you prefer. You can select Default, Rapid, or even create a custom vibration. And that's it. Now your iPhone will vibrate for calls and notifications, even in silent mode. Like and subscribe for more iPhone tips.